Hey everyone! Welcome back to CompareCore, the place where we break down the best tech, tools, and coffee gear so you don't waste your money. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best espresso machines of 2025. And trust me, these are the only ones worth your cash this year. Whether you're into creamy cappuccinos, smooth lattes, or that perfect morning espresso shot, I've tested and compared the top machines that actually deliver cafe-quality coffee at home. So grab your favorite mug, hit that like button, and let's jump straight into number 1. Alright guys, coming in at number 1, we've got the De'Longhi La Specialista Touch. And honestly, this thing is a beast for coffee lovers. It's a semi-automatic espresso machine with a sleek stainless steel design that instantly makes your kitchen look high-end. You get a 3.5-inch touchscreen, which makes it super easy to use, even if you're new to espresso making. The 19-bar pressure system and built-in grinder with assisted tamping give you that perfect cafe-quality shot every single time. You can make espresso, cappuccino, latte, cold brew, and way more, and you can even steam milk manually or automatically. What I love most is the Bean Adapt technology, which adjusts the grind and brew settings for your beans automatically. That's next-level smart. Sure, the steam wand design can be a bit fiddly, but for the price, this thing is an absolute winner. If you want pro-level coffee without the stress, the La Specialista Touch is where it's at. Alright guys, number 2 on our list is the Breville Bambino Plus, and let me tell you, this little machine punches way above its weight. If you're short on counter space, this compact stainless steel espresso maker is perfect. It's super sleek at just 12.6 by 11.8 by 7.7 inches, but don't let the size fool you, it's got power. The 15-bar pressure system and automatic steam wand give you barista-level coffee with basically zero effort. You can pick between 1 or 2 shots, and the automatic milk steaming has 3 foam levels and 3 temperature settings, so you get that creamy latte or cappuccino just right every time. It heats up crazy fast and is so simple to use, perfect for beginners or anyone who wants great coffee without the learning curve. The only downside? No built-in grinder. But honestly, for this price and size, the Bambino Plus is a total steal. If you're after speed, simplicity, and style, this is your go-to machine. Coming in at number 3, we've got the De'Longhi Stilosa, and this one's a total budget beast. If you're just getting into espresso and don't want to drop hundreds of dollars, this is the perfect starter machine. The Stilosa is super compact, just 8 by 13.5 by 11 inches, and it's lightweight enough to fit in any kitchen setup. Even though it's mostly plastic on the outside, it's packing a stainless steel boiler inside, and that's where the real magic happens. You're getting a 15-bar pressure pump, a manual steam wand, and options for single or double shots, so you can pull a legit espresso once you get the hang of it. Now, yeah, the tamper isn't great, and it doesn't come with a milk jug, but for this price, it's hard to complain. The steam wand actually surprised me with how well it textured milk. You can still make those silky lattes and flat whites without spending a fortune. Bottom line, the De'Longhi Stilosa gives you that real espresso experience without breaking the bank. Perfect for beginners who want to learn the craft the right way. Alright, number 4, say hello to the Ninja Luxe Cafe Pro. And trust me, this one's an absolute powerhouse. This machine takes everything the old Premier series did and levels it up big time. First off, it's fully automatic, meaning it does most of the hard work for you, brewing, grinding, and even tamping. Yep, it's got a built-in tamping arm that gives perfect, even pressure every time. No mess, no fuss, just clean, balanced espresso shots. You're also getting a 14-bar pressure system, a conical burr grinder, and an automatic steam wand with 5 different foam levels. So whether you want a creamy cappuccino or a cold foam iced latte, this thing's got your back. Plus, it's super versatile. It can do espresso, cold brew, drip coffee, and even hot water for tea. Oh, and that XL 70-ounce capacity? Perfect for brewing 2 lattes at once. My only gripe? The drip tray is a bit small, but overall, the Ninja Luxe Cafe Pro brings cafe-level quality right to your kitchen. No barista skills required. And finally, number 5, the KitchenAid semi-automatic espresso machine. This one's the perfect mix of classic design and modern performance. A real gem for anyone who wants hands-on control without breaking the bank. It's a manual espresso machine with a powerful 15-bar pressure system and a built-in burr grinder, giving you that rich, cafe-quality espresso shot every single time. What really makes this one stand out, though, is the steam wand. It's super capable, creating that velvety, creamy microfoam you'd expect from a professional espresso bar. The preheat time is crazy fast, and there's almost no waiting between pulling your shot and steaming milk, which is perfect for busy mornings. Plus, it's easy to clean and has a large 74-ounce water tank, so you're not constantly refilling. Sure, the grinder takes a bit of trial and error to get just right, but once you dial it in, the KitchenAid semi-automatic espresso machine delivers consistently smooth, flavorful espresso that'll make you feel like your own barista. Alright guys, that wraps up our list of the top 5 espresso machines of 2025. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. And hey, if you're new here, welcome to Compare Core. We drop weekly videos comparing the best tech and home products so you don't waste your money on the wrong one. Got a favorite espresso machine? Or maybe one you think should have made the list? Drop it down in the comments. I love hearing what you guys are using. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on our next breakdown. Thanks for watching, my friends. Stay caffeinated, and I'll catch you in the next one.